John 17 verse 4. On earth I have given you glory by finishing the work you gave me to do. Finishing. Some translations renders it as past tense, finished, and others as completing or accomplished. There was more to the work of Jesus than to finish it. There was something much deeper to accomplish than to just finish. The work had to be divinely completed. That means that there was a blueprint plan in the Father's heart. It's like an architect drawing, and now a builder must start the building project. So thoughts became words, then action. Jesus had to come and make the invisible of the Father visible again unto us in another form of consciousness because of the blindness of our carnal thoughts.